20 years old, West 62nd Street, were not students at Parker High School. Ooh, they ran up in the school. Hoover related that the two walked past me in the hall, and Highsmith sniffled. Then Longstreet said, "Burn him." And Highsmith pulled a gun and started shooting. I got hit. Bullets also struck two bystanders. A 15-year-old kid, Mildred, and Lewis Jackson, another 15-year-old kid. All these Parker High School students were shot in the leg and were rushed to St. Bernard's Hospital for treatment. Only minutes after the shooting, police officer arrested James Highsmith and Leonard Longstreet at the time. At the time of the Parker High School battle, Longstreet and Highsmith were at liberty on bond awaiting trial on two separate shootings that occurred earlier in the summer. At the same time, the police also arrested 17-year-old Gregory Williams of Morgan Street, who was carrying a pistol in the Parker High School hall. Williams was a member of the Supreme Gangsters. So he was down with Larry Hoover. A Cook County grand jury subsequently returned an indictment number 6683443, which charged James Highsmith and Leonard Longstreet with aggravated battery on Larry Hoover. Preliminary hearings on the case were held in the courtroom of Judge David Credit on September 17, 1968. Your boy is a snitch, y'all. Your boy is a snitch. Ain't no taking it away. He snitched on the dudes in the school, y'all, that walked up in the school. They came to get them a body. They came up in there to get a body, man. And your boy Larry Hoover told on them boys. He didn't get his get back. He snitched. See, y'all be idolizing niggas that ain't even who you should be idolizing. You see what I'm saying? It's done. He done. These niggas thought that he was a gangster. He was the real boss. Yeah, the boss was a snitch. Y'all boss was a snitch. God damn. Y'all know I got to get them paperwork. I got to get that paperwork from 1968, y'all. I got to get that paperwork. Where's Red at? Where Red at? Red got to wake up. We need Red to wake up, y'all. I got to get this paperwork this morning. We're gonna run Larry Hoover paperwork this morning. This morning, we getting that paperwork. Soon as Red wake up, we getting that paperwork, y'all. Oh, yeah, we need this paperwork. I need to go through all this. I'm going to skim through this paperwork with a fine comb. Larry Hoover, you a wild man. He told on all them boys. He said, they don't go to school here. It was him. It was him. It was him. He shot me. He shot her too. And shot him. He shot everybody. Damn. Larry Hoover was out there snitching. And the police gave us the paperwork. The police said, oh, you wanna release this dude? You sure you want to release this nigga? You better release him to PC. Yeah. These niggas was idolizing a snitch. Y'all niggas was Larry Hoover. Big Meech, Larry Hoover. I think I'm Big Meech. I think I'm Larry Hoover. Niggas thought they was snitches the whole time. You don't want to be these niggas. I be telling y'all, man, it be the ones you least expect, bro. I am not surprised. I am not at one bit surprised at what I'm reading, bro. It be the ones you least expect. You be thinking, and the niggas that you expect to snitch be the ones that don't snitch. It be the ones you think gonna hold it down. Yeah, this nigga the king. He the boss, and he the first one in there telling. He did it. He did it. He did it. You feel me? They are gonna tell. However you look at it, man, they all gonna tell. Yeah, now I gotta change. Now I gotta change the title on my page, man. I gotta change the title. Larry Hoover is a snitch, and we got the paperwork. The paperwork. We got the paperwork, y'all. Pay attention. What Ted at when you need to wake up, Ted? What Ted at? What Ted at? Ted, these boys out here telling Ted. Oh shit. That the truth always will set you free. That's what Larry Hoover told us. Larry Hoover told us the truth will always set us free. Lena in the building. Lena, what they do? What they do? Yeah, I woke up with jokes. This morning, I'm on top of it, Lena. I'm on top of it. Oh, shit. The Supreme Gangsters was telling. Yeah, them Supreme Gangsters was telling you. Yeah, I see it. Dundada cool. He just, I don't know. He cool. I talked to him the other day. I talked to Dundada the other day. Shit crazy, man. What the fuck? He said, yeah, Lena in the building. He said Boozy would have told too, but he got out at 5. Boozy let everybody else do the telling. Boozy let everybody else do the telling. We got to get that paperwork today. Paperwork got it done today. I'm about to hit Red up right now on Instagram and wake him up. I'm about to wake Red up. We got to get this paperwork. Paperwork don't lie. That's one thing. Paperwork don't lie, man. They said you big telling. Matter of fact, hold up. Let me get this right. Boom. Let me get this off of let me get this off. Cause you know, we got the paperwork. Let me see. Get this paperwork. Cause I don't play with these niggas, man. I don't play with them. Why they be thinking I be playing with them? Y'all know I'm gonna get the shits and I'm gonna break it down, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna get the paperwork and I'm gonna get all this paperwork too. I know Larry Hoover got some long ass paperwork. Y'all know his shit long as hell. So we not playing with these niggas. One thing I'm not doing is playing with these niggas. Y'all know that. I'm the best to do it. I'm the best to do it. I'm the best to do this shit. Yeah, we got the paperwork. And I like to, I'm gonna do my own shit. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. So when I tell you I got it, I got it. Y'all know I got my shit on point. That's why I do what I do. Yes, sir. Yeah. Y'all thought it was a game. Yeah, they thought it was a game, y'all. Twin, hit the link. Twin, hit the link, man. Breaking news, Twin. Hit the link. Breaking news, Twin. We got breaking news. We got breaking news, Twin. Breaking news. We got breaking news. Bro.
What's the word?
Your boy is snitch.
Who?
Larry Hoover.
Hell nah.
Word up.
How you know?
We got the paperwork.
Who did he give up?
He gave up two people. Hold up. Larry Hoover been telling since 1968. Gave up information on two dudes who came into Parker High School and put bullets in them legs. Also, two innocent bystanders was hit up. Be careful the people you follow, the people that you look up to. They're not who they say they are. We live on YouTube. Yeah. You see this, right?
I can't. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm putting this shit on YouTube. I'm putting the thing on Facebook. Yeah, your boy's a snitch, man. He been telling since 1968. 1968, twin.